Hello everyone, I am Rikesh Kumar, Technical Engineer at Semcon Private Limited, and today I am going to introduce you T200 electronic eye cutter machine. So let's start and I will tell you each and everything about hardware and software and how to use one. So this one is the feeding wheel, basically used to feed out your nickel strip or PVC or any wire. See, this machine can be used for for wire cutting, for nickel strip cutting, for copper foil cutting, for strip cutting, any type of strip cutting. So this can be used in multiple options. So this one is the feeding wheel. Then moving forward to that one, this one is used for lifting out, manually for lifting out this one. When your nickel strip gets stuck, then you can manually lift it out up and down, and we can clean out that one. This one is your blade. It's a totally very high precise blade and can cut maximum thickness. So like this one, you can check it out. We have cut it, so it is more than 0.2 mm easily. You can check it out. It should be like 0.3 mm right now minimum. Okay, so apart from that, this part is your electronic eye color sensor machine. This is used for like if you want to go for 100% precision cut, then you have to use electronic eye process for 100% precision. But for 100% precision one, we need a minimum 20 mm waist length. So this one is for another part of this machine, and you can also go for like a continued simple cutting option. In this option, there will be accuracy of 0.1 mm, 1 mm. So 1 mm accuracy. So now this one is the for LED one, LED screen. You can check it out. That one we can get each and every your information from there. Apart from that, this one is your numerical key button. Then there is a set button is basically used for the mode selection purpose, and the function button is used for like cycle mode. Cycle mode is like we have programmed that we need 10 batches for one cycle. So for that one, we will select that one batch has 10 cycle. For then we can use multiple cycle in future purpose for continue protection. Then there is one more button is forward and backward move for the manual. Like if you want to operate manually, you can use forward and backward from this one. Then there is a clear is basically for the cutting purpose, for manual cut. You can check it out. This one for the manual cut purpose. Actually, clear means clear the extra part. In when the program gets in, there is some extra parts left out in your machine. You can use the clear button. Then there is a length button. You can select the different type of length. The maximum length can be selected up to 100 meter for this machine, and the width is 100 mm and the 20 mm. In different type of means variety of machine we have. According to that, we can provide like 100 mm width maximum, 200 mm width maximum. Then there is a speed button. A speed button is used for the to select how much length and the speed will like 10 mm per second. You can set it speed in different options. So there is a option, you can check it out, fixed length and manual length. Right now we have off the electronic eye option, so there is no other option right now. Otherwise we will get a waist length also. So the fixed length and fixed speed and manual speed, you can check it. Manual speed means the manual speed at a time of manual operation, and fixed speed is automatic speed. So apart from that one, there is a total unit. Unit means you can check out the batch count, means how number of pieces you are going to cut in single batch, and how many batch you are going to produce for that. See, then there is a total button. Total basically means total count, how many pieces getting cut down right now or till now. You can get it option from there. Apart from that one, there is a one more option with clear button, CMP. You can by using that one you can clear out your each and every option. Then there is a run button to run out the machine, and there is a more two option in the right cordon, a stop and done. This one is a stop and this one is done. So this is all about this machine. And what is the when we talk about the features, the speed is very high. Like if the length is 50 mm, for example, if the nickel strip length is 50 mm, you can produce up to 130 pieces in 1 minute. So the speed can be much high, so you don't need to worry about. The maximum length can be cut is 100 meter, and the maximum width can be cut for nickel strip, which will be 200 mm. So length will be maximum 100 meter, and the width will be 100 mm, 200 mm, depending upon different type of machine. We have right now available like T100 means 100 mm width, and T200 means 200 mm width. So this is all about the hardware interface. See, there is two options in this machine. One is your fixed length. Fixed length means we will program with 1 mm accuracy, and it will be continue cut according to your program. But there might be accuracy of 1 mm, means error is 1%. See, apart from that one, if you want to go for 100% precision, means the precision means 100, means if I have selected that 50 mm length, then every time it will cut only 50 mm. There is no gap between 1 mm or 2 mm error. So for that one, you have to go for the electronic eye option. But the one thing that you have to worry about that is for electronic eye option, the minimum waist length is 20 mm. Like for each time when we cut this length of nickel strip, after first cutting and moving forward to second pieces, there will the waist length of 20 mm. So this is one thing that you need to worry about for electronic eye. But the precision will be 100%. There is no worry to think about the precision one. So that is there is a two option from there one. You can I want to tell you about that one also you. Now we are going to start the machine and show you how it's cut. So let's start and move forward. So now I'm going to start. So click on run button. So you can check out it is going inward. Then moving forward and cutting. We have checked it like 50 mm length. So you can check the length is accurate for each strip. So you can check it, each strip it is cutting in 50 mm. So the length is common for each time. You can check it out. So by using that one, you can cut your nickel strip according to your requirement and your purpose. And the maximum length could be 100 meter, and the maximum width could be 100 mm or 200 mm, depending upon types of machine that you are going to purchase. So this is all about the electronic nickel cutter machine, and we have all other type of full assembly line in our head office. You can come anytime for the live demo. Thank you all for watching our video.